Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vishal Trivedi from Department of Biosciences and Bioengineering, IIT Guwahati. Welcome to the first live session of the MOOCs course, Molecular Biology. So if you have any queries, you can drop your queries so that we can start discussing. Rekha, this Pranav and Vishwajit is from CET or from outside? Okay. Pranav, can you unmute your mic and introduce yourself? Pranav, can you hear me? Vishwajit?
Hello, sir.
You're online?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Pranav, yeah. So, hello, Pranav?
Yes. Hello, sir.
Yes. Can you speak a little louder?
Sir, connection problem. So I
Oh,
cannot hear properly.
okay. You can if you want to ask some question, you can put it into the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Vishwajit, can you unmute and introduce yourself? Abdul, can you unmute and introduce yourself? And if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Abdul Samad, studied in University of Hyderabad.
Mm-hmm. What course you are doing?
Sir, I'm MSc Optometry first year.
Which one you said? First year of?
I'm MSc Optometry first year. Optometry.
Optometry. Okay. Any specific question? Do you have any specific question?
Yes, sir. Sir, if I complete this course, 12 years, 12-week course, so what benefits will give?
I think the course is going to, I don't know about your background, but I think course will get you to the complete knowledge of molecular biology. So it will tell you about all the, topics related to molecular biology. And so we have taken very basic courses, basic topics also, and then the advanced level also. So overall, we tried to cover a lot of content, starting from the very basic like cell biology to very advanced like genome engineering or genome editing actually. And based on this course, probably you can take up even slightly more advanced courses as per your, as per your liking and disliking of particular topics, right? So you can even diversify further. For example, if you like the cell biology part, there is a dedicated course on the cell biology itself, so that you can take and get even more deeper knowledge about the cell cycle, cell biology, all other aspects of apoptosis, aging, and all that. If you are more interested in genome editing, then there is a dedicated course on the genome editing itself, so that so all these topics are very much relevant in terms of even competitive exams also. So if you see, like for example, the GATE syllabus, a lot of content we have covered from there also, right? So it probably will help you in terms of preparing for these competitive exam also. And the overall idea is that it should give you a complete experience of or the complete idea about what is the potential of the molecular biology as a topic. And then depending upon your interest, you can be able to further diversify and further refine your stuff by going to a specific courses also. So this course probably could be a foundation course for many courses which you are planning to even take in future also.
Okay, sir.
Any other course, any other question? I saw that you were in the discussion forum, you were asking about the what type of questions we are going to ask in the final exam, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So regarding the questions, it's very, what we are going to see. I'm sure you might be attempting the assignment questions, right? And the final question paper is also going to be very close or similar to that, where we are going to see how much you understand, how much you could be able to apply this particular knowledge, and so on. So it's going to be a 100-question objective type, and that's what you are supposed to do. And you're going to get 3 hours, and it's going to be an online exam. So I don't see any problem. If you are comfortable with the assignment questions, probably you will not have any problem with the final paper also. But anyway, as the time will pass and as we reach closer to this end of this particular course, probably we'll be going to tell you more in detail about what type of questions you're going to see and so on. But overall, it's going to be same as what you have seen in the assignments. So basically, the content what we are teaching, that you should be able to well in prepared. You're not going to ask anything which is outside this content.
Okay.
Mr. Jeet, can you unmute, and if you have any questions or if you anything want to discuss, you can do so.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
14th lecture, amino acid lecture.
Can you introduce yourself first?
Sir, my name is Vishwajit Patil. Currently, I'm doing my master's in biotech, and I'm from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. And
So you're a first year student, right?
second year actually.
Second year student. So what are the courses you have studied in your first year? Like what are the papers?
Biochemistry, cell biology, and enzymology. Sorry, cell and developmental biology, and immunology and virology, and basic statistics and mathematics, and yeah, that's it. And
Biophysics? Biophysics?
What's up?
Biophysics?
No, sir, that was not. That was not our. That was not in our syllabus.
Okay. Bioinformatics? Did you or bioinformatics is second year actually?
Yeah, sir. In this fourth semester is there,
Okay.
and in last semester I did your genetic engineering course. So I have a query on 14th lecture. In that you have shown a amino acid table. In that the trioglutamate, the one letter code is a U, but the U code is also for another amino acid also.
Tri-letter code for which amino acid?
U letter is, U letter code is also for this silonin cysteine also, no?
Cellulose-cysteine.
Yeah.
You said which topic? This is
14th lecture. 13 on 13 minute, I guess.
Understand. I'm just trying to, get it. You're saying that the information about genetic code is wrong.
Yeah, sir. On, I have searched on Google. It shows silo system.
Okay. This is within the central dogma, right?
What, sir?
This lecture, what you're talking about, is within the central dogma, right?
Yeah, sir. Week 3rd.
Wait. I just search so that it will be easy for me to, to address your query. What is the question right now?
Yeah. So my question is like, it is not related with to the course. There are 26 alphabet, na? And there are currently 22 amino acids. So suppose in future, let's say number get increase in more than 26. So like how to to give a single letter symbol or code for amino acid.
Okay, so I think the amino acids are 20, right? Not 22.
Yeah, I mean the one psilocystin is also, which is there.
Selenocysteine is not a natural amino acid. It is an unnatural amino acid which people are synthesizing in the lab. So selenocysteine does not fall into that natural category. If you go by that, argument, there are 200 different types of amino acids are present in the system.
Okay.
Because amino acid means any chemical entity where you have a amino group and a carboxyl group attached to a carbon. That is being considered as amino acid. And what you're saying is selenocysteine is being recognized by some of these letter codes. So that is just a coincidence. But under natural conditions, there is no selenocysteine formed. Okay. The bacteria cannot synthesize selenocysteine.
Okay.
So selenocysteine is so basically your point is that in case number will go up beyond 26, what could be the single letter code for these amino acids?
Yeah.
So that that situation anyway is not present, because if that happens, then probably people will start taking two letters, or I don't know about what is the mechanism or scheme they are going to follow, but it's a good question or good way of thinking about it. Something may actually happen, right? So, but yeah, so biology is all about possibilities. So there could be a possibility that sometime or in future probably we may have encounter another amino acid which will be not in the list. But the chances are very unlikely, because all these amino acids what you see are natural amino acids. And you know the basic criteria how distinguish natural amino acid and the unnatural amino acid, right? Just like selenocysteine. For any amino acid considered to be a natural amino acid if its biosynthetic pathway is present in the system. Okay. So for all these 20 amino acids, the biosynthetic pathway is being known, right? You know that how the lysine is being synthesized or how the arginine is being synthesized and so on, right? So probably you might have studied that in your MSc Bio first year actually, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't know the syllabus, but when we were the MSc student, we were always studying the amino acid biosynthesis in the second year actually, when we were going through with the advanced biochemistry course. And so anything which cannot be synthesized by the bacteria or cannot be synthesized by the living organism is going to be considered as synthetic system. And for synthetic system, you don't need to put the name and all that, because why we are adopting the single letter code, because then it is easier for us to write the amino acid sequence actually.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. So for any, unknown this for protein molecular, this molecular weight for amino acid, um, 110 Dalton is usually is we consider. So is it average of the 20 amino acid?
It is the average of 20 amino acids depending upon their abundance within the amino acid, within abundance within the protein present. So if you sum up all the amino acids and then if you divide by 20, probably you will get this number.
Okay.
because the glycine and alanine and all these serine, all these are very small amino acids. So their molecular weight is like within 70s. And then
Okay.
there are amino acids which you have like molecular weight of 180, 190, like tryptophan, arginine, lysine, those amino acids. So average out, if you see, the 110 is the number.
Okay, sir.
So far,
Okay.
you submitted all the assignments so far. Probably we are entering into the third week, right?
No, I mean, third week I have done. Fourth is remaining. Fourth
Fourth
week
is
is remaining.
current week is fourth week, right? Third week already
Yeah.
you have submitted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So far, are you facing any problem?
No, just sir.
It is easy to follow, right?
What, sir?
Well, all the assignments, the language and options is easy to follow, right?
Yes, sir. It is easy.
Okay, fine, good. So, what's your plan after MSc?
Sir, after I mean this to do PhD, but I think before that I should do a little bit to do some project, and then I think I should to do PhD.
So I think for project you might have heard about this pre-PhD. There is a proposal of NPTEL to apply, right?
Yes, sir.
Pre-PhD STAR program, where probably you
yes,
can
sir.
apply, and the NPTEL will give you the fellowship, and as well as to apply into the different labs.
Yes, sir.
You should explore if you are eligible, because that will give you a very good starting, platform. There's no commitment that you should continue for 1 year, because if you got a better opportunities, you should go away. But at least it should give you learning experiences from the IITs, and you can go to any good lab and at least learn once you are done with your MSc. So try to explore that opportunity. Otherwise, anyway, you can apply in internship, and that also you should explore.
Sir, and one more thing. At Tuesday, I mean, the before, I mean, uh, uh, previous week, on fourth week, the meetings were, I mean, of TA. One was at 6 p.m. and another was on 7 p.m. So we cannot do. I mean,
These are different TAs, right? For different courses.
no, sir. This is same. I mean, for same course for molecular biology.
So the guy was doing two sessions.
What, sir?
So the person, that PMRF fellow is doing the two sessions.
No, sir. In this course, molecular biology.
No, that's what I'm saying. That the TA, what he was conducting the live sessions, the problem solving sessions, he was doing two sessions simultaneously.
No, sir. Those are two different TA.
How we can have two TAs in the molecular biology?
Sir, I have got that email.
Acha? I am not aware of, because the same problem I think people were raising in the discussion forum also, but majority of the time these kind of problem solving sessions are mostly being coordinated by the NPTEL office, not by the coordinator,
Okay.
not by the course instructor. So we
Okay.
even don't know what they are discussing also. I have raised this issue even with the NPTEL office also, that they should tell me what they are discussing. But so we don't know actually. I'm as clueless as you are.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
but you can raise the issues in case you are planning to, if you face any difficulty, so that we can, we can
Okay, sir.
discuss the matter with the NPTEL office also, so that they can be able to sort out. Otherwise, the same thing may happen next week or even subsequent weeks. It could be happened because of some confusion. Because as per best of my knowledge, we only have one TA actually in one course. So probably they got confused, and because I have two courses, like one is molecular biology, the other one is basics of biology. So probably the basics of biology guy also started, doing the live session along with the molecular biology guy. Anything else, Vishwajit?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So did you appear for GATE this year?
Yes, sir. It is on this upcoming Sunday.
Next week.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you should prepare well, and all the best for your GATE exam.
Thank you, sir.
Remember that the GATE exam is not very difficult, and the only key to success is that you should not try to be topper of the batch. Okay, try to go, very comfortably. First, try to get 40 marks. Once you got the
Yes, sir.
40 marks, then only then you should not take risk, or you should
Yes,
not
sir.
guess, because then your chances of getting selected probably will come down. Because if you are confident that you have attempted the correct answers till 40, you're sure that you will get selected, because most of the time the cutoff is around that only. But
Yes,
if you think that, okay, now let's try some more and some more, then in every wrong question, you will be getting closer
yeah.
to getting out from the list. So better
Yes, sir.
to fix your because it's a qualifying exam anyway. Nobody asks
Yes.
you whether you have the get rank 1 or 2, right? So those are different category. But other than that, most of the people entertain the students if they are qualified again exam.
Yes, sir.
So first qualify yourself and then try to be the topper of the particular stream.
Yes, sir.
No, don't attempt if you don't know even what is the question is asking and what are these options and all that. Just leave it, because anyway you have secured the seat for yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, good. All the best. So, do we have any more questions from the other students from the live session?
I think everyone have leave the session. I think I am only left.
So you have joined through this team link. There are people who
Yes,
are
sir.
even can post the questions in the YouTube channel also.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sir,
Yeah.
and one more thing.
Oh,
I mean, your previous course, genetic engineering, it helped me a lot while preparing GATE preparation, and like the this assignment question were also similar to the GATE questions also. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
okay, no issues. I hope you will like this course also. So just go through the content. You will find that we are actually, we are not preparing you for GATE exams, but the level is that only. And
Yeah.
okay, good. Yeah.
And sir, I'm recently I have also joined your another course, enzyme and science technology, enzyme
Mhm.
science technology. Um, then It was also good, but just last week I have joined that course.
Okay. So you might have missed two assignments, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issues.
No,
You still have
only
chance
one.
because we only need to submit 8 assignments.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Yeah. So those who are online in the YouTube channel, they are. We have a very limited time for discussing the aspects of this particular course with you. So if you have any questions, please submit your questions so that we can discuss. Otherwise, I will wind up and then.
Okay, sir. I'll leave now.
Yes. If you are okay, you can log out. No issues. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Pranav.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Prof. Deborma, sir. I'm from Tripura.
Okay. What is your course?
So now I am doing my BSc course on human physiology.
Okay. So you are
Sir,
in first year of BSc or final year of BSc?
so final year, 5th sem.
Final year. Okay.
Sir, I have a question for some exam related. Sir, this exam is based on computer basis or written exam?
Computer based online exam. You supposed to go to an exam center, and there you are supposed to just like we do the gate exam. So you will be having the similar kind of interface, and you will have a multiple choice questions. So one of the thing you have to select correct answer, and you will get 3 hours for.
Sir, exam questions is related on those assignment.
Exam questions would be of same level as your assignments. They will be covering the complete content of this particular course, and more or less it will be the same, not the similar questions, but it will be of same level as like assignment.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have a week 3 some lecture number 13, sir. This main heading is RNA 2, lecture 2. Sir, I cannot find the lecture 1 on RNA. Lecture number 13.
Lecture
sir.
1?
Yes,
You
sir.
said RNA?
There is main heading is 2, RNA 2 lecture.
This is within transcription.
Yes, sir. Week 3, lecture 13.
Week 3.
Yes, sir.
The basics of biology, basics of biomolecules.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, which lecture you could not find?
Sir, 13 is like RNA 2 lecture. Sir, RNA 1 lecture I cannot find.
RNA 2, huh?
Yes, sir.
See, in the biomolecules, the first lecture is about the different types of biomolecules, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
we talk about the nucleic acid, right? In lecture
Yes, sir.
2, we talked about the RNA structure, right?
Yes, sir.
Messenger RNA and all those, all the different types of RNA. Then RNA estimations and so on. Then we have the lecture number 3, which is where
here is part 2 RNA. Sir, part 1
part
RNA.
2.
Yes, sir. Lecture 3. Week 3.
Let me just open my course. Do you have any question from there? You want to ask something?
Sorry, sir.
You want to ask something?
Yes.
So lecture number, which one you said? Week 3?
So week 3, lecture 3.
Week 3, lecture 3. Week 3, lecture 3. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vishal Trivedi. Okay. So week 3, lecture 2 is RNA part 2, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't know which lecture you're talking about. I could not find that. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Vishwajit? Sorry, Pranav. Hello? Pranav? Okay, so maybe you can just put the query, because what you're saying I could not find in my recorded lectures. From the week 3, lecture number 1 is about the hello everyone. This is so the lecture week 3, lecture number 1 is about DNA. Then lecture number 2 is about the DNA, where we have discussed about the sequencing. Then lecture number 3 is about RNA. And lecture number 4 is to start discussion by yes. So lecture 4 onwards, we have discussed about the proteins. So we have discussed about the amino acids and primary structure, secondary structure, and so on. I'm not sure which lecture you are referring right now, or which you are missing. You can send me the chat, and probably will be able to help you. It's okay, Pranav? You just send me the query. We will, we'll figure out that problem.
So, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now you can speak, huh? Connection?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
So repeat one more time. What is the problem?
sir, lecture 3, sir.
Lecture 3 you are not finding on the portal. Lecture 3 is about RNA.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are not finding it on the portal.
No, sir.
Okay. You could not understand from the course also. Samiksha, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself? What is your background?
So myself, Samiksha Kumari, and I am currently pursuing Masters in Microbiology from Tripura University.
So you are in first year or second year?
No, sir, second year.
Okay, so you are in final year right now.
Yes, sir.
Are you giving the GATE exam?
Yes, sir.
So that is on Sunday, right?
Yes, sir. From 2:30.
Biotechnology. You are giving biotechnology, right?
No, sir, just only life sciences.
Life sciences. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Sir, I wanted to ask a question. Sir, while I was giving a GATE exam in my BSc third year, so I just qualified, not got good marks. But sir, can I approach my PhD in IIT Guwahati or some other IITs with that marks?
I can tell you IIT Guwahati because I was the part of the screening committee. So especially the biotechnology. So you did the BSc, right?
Yes,
so that
sir.
is a 3-year BSc or 4-year BSc?
Sir, 3-year actually.
Okay, so in IIT Guwahati, we don't take any student with 3-year BSc.
Okay.
It has to be a 4-year BSc.
No, sir. Actually, on the behalf of my graduation third year marks, can I do my PhD after masters in IIT Guwahati?
No, but by that time you will be done with your masters. Probably your GATE will not be valid.
No, sir. My GATE will be valid till 2026. I think March. Yes, March 2026.
That I think is little more complicated. That you have to ask the IIT itself because you qualified the GATE before you were having the master degree, and I think that is something which you should ask the IIT.
Sir,
so if it is a 4-year, if you could have been the 4-year course, right, the BSc, then no problem. Then you should have tried.
Okay, sir.
If it is a master degree and then you have qualified the GATE before your master degree, probably you might have to ask the academic sections or even put a query to these people in the academic section.
So, where should I put this query?
If whenever the next admission advertisement will be out, probably they will give you a email ID, right, where you can actually be able to address your queries, and you just write an email to that, so that probably people can be able to clarify.
So means actually till 2026 my GATE score is valid, and I think IIT Guwahati conducts the PhD PhD admission program in November or December 2025.
Last in December only we normally do PhD interviews in November for December session, and then we do in May for the for July session.
May for July section. So means this May I can put my query.
Yeah, I think the advertisement will be out in sometime in April, and probably the interviews will be in May. Dates are not still out, but you can give the exam. When you can fill the applications once you get the clarification from the IIT that they will consider.
Yes, sir. And sir, if means at that time I will post my query, but I think at that time, this year's GATE result will be. I think it will be out. And sir, one thing.
Yeah. We do the exam. We do the PhD interview in such a way so that this year's GATE people can also be able to appear.
And so one more thing that by completing the courses in NPTEL, can we can we apply for NET exam? Means can we qualify NET exam?
No, NPTEL has nothing to do with the NET exam.
Okay. So, means not sir, means the concepts and all can we like
The
that?
concepts can be used for qualifying any exam. So, for example, the structure of DNA or replication, transcription, translation, all these things are, if you want to learn these things, you can use this knowledge for clearing any exam. But NPTEL has nothing to do with the NET or GATE or any other exam.
No, sir, means I was thinking that after completing the courses of NPTEL, then means I know the courses are very nice and the teachers are also very nice, but actually I don't know. I have not appeared for NET exam till now. So will be I able to means appear for that nicely or not? That is why I was asking. Okay, sir.
I don't see any problem if you attempt for the NET exam but the format is very different but you can easily attempt.
So means IITs take the students means if anyone qualifies in NET, so IIT will take that student.
Not NET. We don't take the student if you are qualifying the NET. We take the students if you are NET JRF.
Oh, sorry, sir. Miss, yes, sir. NET JRF. Then
then you can apply into the NET JRF mode.
Okay, sir. And sir, what would be the cutoff for life sciences student for applying in PhD? Is there any cutoff for GATE exam, or just qualifying GATE exam will be enough to get an admission?
Qualifying the GATE exam is enough.
Okay, sir. Okay, so and this, shall we have to sit for any means theoretical exam after qualifying GATE also?
If you are GATE qualified and if you are having the eligibility in terms of your degrees like MSc and all that, you don't have to.
And so
you're supposed to have the 70% in the master's degree.
Okay, 70% means percentile, means percentage, 70%, not CGPA and all.
CGPA more than 7.
Okay, sir. Okay, so for any IIT or for IIT Guwahati?
No, I don't know all IIT, but I'm talking about IIT Guwahati.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Anybody else wants to ask anything? So if you don't have any more queries, we'll going to wind up this session, and thanks for your interest in the course. If you have any queries, you just drop your queries into the discussion forum, or you can discuss with the TAs in the problem solving session as well. And if both of these mode will not be able to satisfy, then you can come for the next live sessions and we will discuss your problems in details. Okay, so till then, bye bye, and thanks for your interest. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Rekha, you can log out now. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.